So you see this mess, and what it means? It means we're making crazy pizza again. Yeah, let's go. I got some beer today, and we're making pizza dough from beer. Let's see how it will try out. So classic Napoli recipe: 120 grams of liquid beer today. Yeah, beautiful. Tiny bit of salt, tiny bit of oil, 180 grams of flour, a little bit of active dry yeast. As always, my friend, spoon, and we're making best pizza dough ever. Best pizza dough on YouTube, actually. So mix it up with a spoon and finish it by hand. And basically that's it. Leave it for rest for just 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, covered in the container. Just a little bit, of work, make it pizza bowl from this. Okay, the smell is awesome. It's dough, it's like already proofed for like 70 hours, but it's only 2 hours. So let's make her some pizza. So a little bit of sauce. A tiny bit. So let's go drop it into the oven a little bit. It's for a couple of minutes. Then we take it out. We top it with a little bit more sauce. We top it out with a little bit more cheese. This is the way you prepare pizza in the home oven. And after 10 minutes more in the oven, we take it out and look. Oh, it's just beautiful pizza. Oh my god, it looks so great. It's soft and crunchy at the same time. Oh, look. Let's try out. Yeah. Okay, it's beautiful. It's tasty. It smells awesome. So, in my surprise, this one is really awesome pizza you should try out. This is great.